The people who want to learn English, but somehow they are thinking how to start. I'm not perfect in grammar. My English is not good. I don't have enough vocabulary to speak this language naturally. So, my dear, if you know everything, right? So we have been knowing this language since childhood. हम सभी को इस इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज के बारे में तो बचपन से पता है. वी ऑल आर लर्निंग, वी ऑल हैव बीन लर्निंग दिस लैंग्वेज सिंस आवर चाइल्डहुड एज अ सब्जेक्ट. वी आर लर्निंग दिस लैंग्वेज एज अ सब्जेक्ट. हम लोग इसको सब्जेक्ट की तरह पढ़ रहे हैं, राइट? देन वी ऑल हैव अ लिटिल बिट नॉलेज ऑफ इंग्लिश. वी जस्ट नीड टू टेक करेज टू स्पीक इट अप. If you want to speak English now, then you should have only one thing at the very beginner stage. If you want to speak English, then you should have only one thing, that is courage. Courage to making mistake. Courage to start while making mistake. तुमको ना गलती करने की हिम्मत चाहिए. You shouldn't need to take care about the people what will think if you make a lot of grammatical mistake. Allow yourself to make mistake, and you have to develop your consciousness at that level where you can talk to people. If they say that you make a lot of grammatical mistake, then you have to be open up for this. You should say it's okay if I'm making mistake, because I'm beginner and I'm learning this language. At least I'm trying to speak it out. And remember one thing, जो लोग तुम्हारी गलतियां ढूंढेंगे ना, जो जो actually they actually learn this language, they will never mock your language speaking skills, because they know that this is our third and second language. So if anyone is beginner, then this is very practical way to learn and speak. ये language है, language की practice तो हम बोल के ही कर सकते हैं, right? So if you want to speak English, this is the first step that you should take to speak it up. Start doing speaking practice. Through speaking, you would be able to speak this language one day fluently. And without if you're thinking that the day when I'll be perfect at grammar, then I'll talk to people, then my dear, the day will never come in your life. Because until or unless you want to start to speak this language, you won't be able to learn this language or speak this language fluently. So you have to start from scratch. So on the day when you will start to speak this language, day after day you will feel that you are improving, because the mistake that you are doing right now today, you will prevent yourself to make the same mistake by another day. Because when we speak, suddenly we realize that I did mistake. As I told you before, that we have been learning this language, we have been knowing this language since childhood, so we have a little bit knowledge of this language. Whenever we make mistake, something hit our brain that here I did mistake, and then another time when you will speak, you will try to prevent yourself to make the same mistake again and again. And this is how we learn. We should learn from our previous mistake, and to prevent ourselves that not to do the same mistake again and again, isn't it?